Hello everybody and welcome to Mom's Life and Etc. Today I am sharing with you the recipe for the Filipino version of the coconut macaroons. What makes this recipe different is that we are adding flour into one of the ingredients. And by adding flour into the ingredients, you are creating almost like a crossbreed between your traditional coconut macaroons and your traditional cupcakes. So for this recipe, you are going to need 2 cups of coconut flakes or desiccated coconut,
a third of a stick of butter, half a cup of sugar. You need 2 whole eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, a small 14-ounce can of condensed milk, and finally, you need a half a cup of flour.
Once you are ready to get started, go ahead and put your butter and your sugar together and cream it. Once you have creamed the butter and the sugar together, you can go ahead and add all of the other wet ingredients in this recipe. So you can go ahead and add the 2 eggs next, and then the vanilla extract, and then the condensed milk. In a separate bowl, you can go ahead and add the coconut with the flour together.
Combine your flour and your coconut together, and then add your dry ingredients to your wet ingredients to form the batter. Scoop your batter into your mini muffin pan and bake for 30 to 40 minutes at 350 degrees. You know it's done once the top layer looks golden brown. Stick a toothpick in the middle and the toothpick should come out clean.
Okay, you guys, I am done baking. Mine took about 30 minutes and they look like this. As you can see, the top layer should be golden brown. And as you can also see, I started eating already. They are just so delicious, you guys. Please give it a try. Comment below and let me know what you think. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully, I will see you guys next time. Bye!